Students, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. In today's class, we are going to learn a new topic. Okay? We are going to learn the topic pronoun. Pronoun. What is this? Pronoun. Repeat after me. Pronoun. P-R-O-N-O-U-N. Pronoun. What is this? Pronoun. You know what is a noun? What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place and thing. Revati is a name, so it is a noun. Alandalai is a place, so it is a noun. Cord is a thing, so it is a noun. So what is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place and thing. Okay? Noun is the name of a person, place, things. And what is a pronoun? Pronouns are the words that are used in the place of a noun. Okay? Instead of here, see for example, Revati. Revati is a person, right? Instead of Revati, you will use she. She is a pronoun. Okay? And here, in this class, we are going to learn the pronoun he and he. Okay, there are many pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are pronouns. Okay, and in this class we are going to learn the pronoun he. He is a pronoun. What is he? He is a pronoun. What is he? He is a pronoun. Repeat after me. He is a pronoun. And in this class we are going to learn the pronoun he. He is used for a boy. Ram is my friend. Ram is a name of a boy, right? Ram is a name of a boy. Ram is my friend. Ram is a doctor. Ram is my friend. Ram is a doctor. So, how will you change to pronoun Ram is my friend? Instead of Ram, you will write he. He is a doctor. Why we are writing he? Because we are writing he because he is used for boy. He is used for boy and men. He is used for whom? He is used for a boy and a man. He is a doctor. So when you will use he is used for boy and a man. So what is a pronoun? Pronouns are words that are used in the place of a noun. Ram is a noun. Now what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, right? Ram is the name of a person. So it is a noun. Ram is a noun. So instead of the noun Ram, we are using the pronoun he. Got it? Instead of the word Ram, in the sentence we are using the pronoun he. He is a doctor. He is used for boy. Now let us see the second example. That is Raju. Raju is my brother. That is Raju. He is my brother. We have taken the name Raju in the second sentence. We have replaced the name Raju with the pronoun he. Got it? Instead of Raju, we are using he. He is my brother. Raju is my brother. Instead of Raju, in the second sentence, we are using he. Got it? Instead of Raju, in the second sentence, we are using he. He is used for boys and men. He is a pronoun and we are using he instead of the name Raju. Here see, my friend name is Maxwell. Maxwell plays well. Maxwell loves to eat chocolates. Maxwell is a clever boy. Maxwell always get the first rank. Here, my friend name is Maxwell. This is a para, right? This is a para. Here, my friend name is Maxwell. In the sentence, see, Maxwell plays well. Maxwell plays well. In the sentence we are using the he instead of the name Maxwell. Okay, he plays well. Maxwell loved to eat chocolate. In the sentence he loved to eat chocolate. Maxwell is a clever boy. He is a clever boy. Maxwell always get the first rank. He always get the first rank. So what do you understand? In a sentence we cannot repeat the names. Okay, Maxwell, 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 Maxwell. Instead of repeating the names we are using he. So this is the use of a pronoun he. When we want to talk about a noun, we use the pronoun instead of using the name of a noun. Maxwell. Instead of Maxwell, he. We are using he. He plays well. Maxwell loved to eat chocolates. He loved to eat chocolates. Maxwell is a clever boy. He is a clever boy. Maxwell always gets the first rank. He always gets the first rank. So what is a pronoun? Pronouns are words that are used in the place of a noun. Here the pronoun is a Maxwell. Maxwell is a noun. Instead of the noun Maxwell, you are using the pronoun he. We are using the pronoun he. Instead of noun, we are using the pronoun he. Maxwell plays well. And why we are using he? Because Maxwell is a boy. For boy, we have to use the pronoun he. Got it? For boy, we have to use the pronoun he. Students, for today's homework, I will give you some activities. You have to change the sentence with the help of pronoun. Okay?